Hi, everyone. I've got something special today. It's this best Baseus Bowie M2s. Everyone is buzzing about this product right now. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere, because the value here is mind-blowing. To start with, the construction, it is absolutely impressive. The attention to detail on this specific model is stunning. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. It's designed to fit perfectly into your busy lifestyle. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, this is made for you. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch. Inventory is very low. Check the link in the description and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.